Say the letter sound that matches the colored dots. Ready? Letter that sounds B, A, T, bat. Let's blend each letter sound. B, at, bat. Put a check on a given word, the word bat. What word is this? Say the letter sound that matches the colored dots. Ready? Letter that sounds B, E, D. Let's blend each letter sound. B, E, D, bed. Put a check on the given word, the word bed. Write the name of this picture. What word is this? Say the letter sound that matches the colored dots. Letter that sounds B, E, N. Let's blend each letter sound. B, E, N, bin. Put a check on the given word, the word bin. Write the name of this picture. What word is this? Let's memorize the pictures. Ball, bag, shoes, apple, cat. Ball, bag, shoes, apple, cat. Close your eyes and tell the pictures you remember. Ready? The pictures I remember are Tell me the color of the text. Ready? Let's spell each word. Let's write each word. Bin, box, bag, bed, bug.